Hey everyone, Julio here with JZ Digital. Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we've all been waiting for, at least me. We are finally gonna put brand new exhaust on the 450. Now I'm the kind of guy who likes to do stuff when it needs it. I don't like to spend money on new tires if I don't need new tires. I don't like to do the oil change if it doesn't need oil change. So it finally came to the point where it was cutting off underwater because the exhaust was so clogged. I figured it's the best time to do an exhaust. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like before and after we put the exhaust on. So I went with the HMF Titan QS, which is the quiet series. I hope that's what they sent out. It doesn't say anything about it. Let's go ahead and get a clip. So this is with the stock exhaust that's pretty clogged up. Bad boy in park. I really got to get this clutch tuned because it's a pain in the butt when I try to take off and it shoots all the way to 3,000 RPM before it engages, and then it just yanks me. So I put it in the shade. You guys heard what it sounded like. Now I'm going to install the Titan QS. Yeah, I dropped the box. All right, I hope you guys can see here. We are going to do the unboxing, the exhaust. Nice. I might have to buy a tuner for it, but I'm gonna run it without a tuner first. All right, we'll figure it out. I hope this is the QS series. It doesn't say anything. I just hope it's not super loud. But if it is what it is. That didn't get too hot. Let me bring my toolkit. All we gotta do is undo that clamp, undo these, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so the factory one is a 15 factory bolt. Does help if you have an extension. This one's almost already out. That's right, I stripped this one when we were at Busco the other day. Now we just gotta pull on it. Try to twist it. There we go. Guess it goes here. All right, guys, so we got this part in. If yours is like mine and it's hard to install because it's got mud caked around this part, grab a block of wood like so and just gently tap it in there with a hammer and it'll slide in. We're gonna tighten this up. I think that's as far as it needs to go. That seems to be 10 millimeter. Of course, there's no such thing as a 10 millimeter anymore. All right, guys, I'm gonna put you on a quick pause while I find a 10 millimeter socket. It's time to do it the old-fashioned way. Let's cut it on and see what it sounds like straight piped. Neighbors aren't gonna like that. Hope they're not home. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, boys, last part is to tighten this down. I don't know if you guys can see. I think that's good enough. Look what we found, guys. 10 millimeter. Now this I'm gonna just hand tighten. I don't want to strip it. There we go. Nice and tight. Let's see what this sounds like, boys. All right, guys, we got that on. Let's take it down for a quick spin and see what she sounds like while we're riding. It's a little loud for my taste. Almost sounds like a Honda. right, what you guys think? New HMF exhaust on the 450. Sounds like a 450. See what she feels like in low. I think she's definitely more responsive. Let's throw her in 4-wheel drive and see if we can't get a good launch. I think we're about to grenade my rear diff. What do you guys think? Is it too loud? Can you hear me fine on the mic, or do I have to get another mic? I hope this is the quiet series. Let me know what you guys think. We went with the HMF, the Titan QS, which is the quiet series. I'm gonna make sure that's what we got because that's what I wanted. I didn't want something stupid loud. But for 450, you get what you get. You don't throw a fit. Catch you guys on the next video. Guys, check out this amazing barn find. I got it from a friend of mine who bought it. As he was driving it, it would tend to cut off on him, and then he couldn't get it started back. He sold it to me, and then I figured out what was wrong with it. Starts up one pull. Might be for sale, so if you know anybody interested, let me know. We'll catch you later, guys.